Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. We were in the market for a pair of comfortable dress shoes for my husband. He's kind of a picky guy and comfort is everything to him, and we were very pleased with this beautiful pair of men's dress shoes from Hantatop. This company offers different styles and colors, and each one of them is absolutely stunning. They also come in sizes ranging from size 8 to size 13. My husband wears a size 11, and these fit him very well. They're not too tight on his toes, and they're comfortable enough for him to wear all day. The upper part of the shoe is made of genuine leather, and it comes with a little tag to certify that, which I thought was a nice touch. My husband and I are very impressed with the durability of these shoes. We've had them for about a month, and have worn them several times in several different occasions, and they still look gorgeous and brand new. Another thing we liked was the non-slip sole of these shoes. With the kind of work that my husband does in the wintry weather around our area right now, he found that he had more traction on the snow and ice than he did in his other dress shoes. We also liked how versatile these are. They look great with a suit, and they also look great with a pair of khakis and a sweater. So if you're in the market for a truly great pair of comfortable men's shoes, then I think you're going to love these shoes by Hantatop. And that's my point of view.